Hey guys, welcome back, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your phone number on Fiverr. So we're here on the home page, and on the top right hand corner on your profile logo, click on that and go to settings. After you've clicked on settings, you'll see these 4 sections on the side: your account, security, notifications, and business information. You'll just have to click on security. And on here, you'll see your phone verification. You just have to click on verify now and enter your country, enter your phone number, and after that, you just have to pick on verifying it by either SMS or verify it by call. After all that, you'll verify your phone number. And if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.